Hello people, this is Bear from Elliott Wave, and today I figured it was about time to update Bitcoin. So last update dates January 13th, so it's been a bit over a week, and as usual we're going to try and see what is happening with the Elliott Wave Theory. So before we get started, thank you people to all the new subscribers, I really appreciate it, and you guys keep subscribing, keep liking the videos, it really helps, as I always say. It's a way to give back if you like the content, help me grow, and sorry people, it motivates me to do more videos and better. All right, so that being said, Bitcoin. So long story short, it looks like we found the bottom in wave 4 of some degree. We're gonna investigate that. Now, again, want to remind you that I do see two main counts. The one suggesting you are in a primary wave 3. Okay. So what would that mean is that if we look at Fibonacci targets, then one of the minimum target would be for this wave 3, $230,000. What does it mean? It means that if we are close to a top here, in intermediate wave 1, then at that point we would pull back, continue higher, blah 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 blah, to at least $230,000. I need to remember to breathe. Okay, so but 1.628 would also be realistic at roughly $600,000. Now you say, Barry, what the crap are you talking about? Those are unrealistic. Yes, Timmy. Yes. Just like a move from 16 to 100 was unrealistic, right? 530% move. This would also be the same from from 15 to 100 is basically, it's 500%, right? From now to 600 is less than 500%, so equality. And my mouse just died on me. Perfect. Okay, people. So yeah, is it unrealistic? Absolutely not. It happened in the fast. It can happen again. Now you could argue, well, blah blah, conditions different, blah 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 blah. Yes, whatever. If at the end of the day, if we knew the future, we wouldn't be here, right? That's what I always say. If I knew what the count was with 100% certainty, I wouldn't be here. That's for sure. Okay, people. So that out of the way, the other alternate, and then we'll zoom into the short time frame. Is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? What does it mean? It means that at that point we could either be in primary wave 1 of 5, or else a more bearish scenario. Wave 5 is here. If wave 5 is here, so soon to be in place, then you should expect such a larger correction, which could easily take us all the way back to 15,000. Which one is it going to be? I don't know. Which one do I think it is? Does the market really care about what I think? I don't think so. I would say that for now, also looking at the stock market, for now, I do see something larger, but as of right now, it looks more like it could be this one. But once we do get a pullback in this potential wave 2, and we'll see if it's going to be a wave 2, then we'll see. Well, I'll try to give you a better estimate with a better conviction. As of right now, I don't know, but this is my guess, my educated guess. Now, that out of the way, I'm going to be a bit slow because my mouse died. Okay, so this here. So the last time, last update, we were about, let me zoom in so you guys can see better, hopefully. We were about here. And I was like, okay, people, looks like we are doing one less, at least one more leg lower. At this point, to be honest, I would incarnate it as ABC rather as WXY because of that 3-wave move into wave Y. Oopsie. You guys know what I'm saying, right? This move here looks like 3. And the wave C cannot be 3, so it has to be a wave Y. Perfect. So, at this point, you may ask, Barrett, is wave 5 in place? we're gonna try to investigate that today. Other than that, look, so let's go to the 4 hour. I would like you to notice, sorry guys, I don't know why I don't breathe when I talk, and it doesn't help. Deep breath, takes a deep breath. Okay, so you see 1, connected to 3, projected to 2, get a decimal of weight 4. Look at this. Look at this. This is called art. Okay, now, that's good. Should any of you care? So this also gives me a pretty good level of conviction. This is the right count, at least for this move. Now I can be wrong. What is very interesting also is that how we found resistance. So how we rejected the middle line, which, as you can see, acted as resistance support several times. Okay, so back to the hourly, and let's see what could be happening in here. Okay, and then we'll end the video. As usual, any comments, any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. Okay, so obviously this would be, I don't want to label it, otherwise the label just becomes just a bunch of waves. It's an ABC in wave Y, A, B, C. Okay, so now, first thing I would like you to notice, 100,000, we're above 100,000. Will we stay above 100,000? That is the question. So to be honest, so we are in minor 5, so this would have to be minute. Okay, so to be honest, this is possible. And here's what I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. A, B, C. Nice flat correction. I think we have just touched equality by a bit. Yes. Boom. Are we going to find support on top of equality? That is the question. ABC could be possible for their upside. So I think this is possible as a bull case, especially if we keep trading above 100,000. 100,000 is a very critical level for many reasons, as you can understand. Now let's play the devil's advocate. Can we fit a wave 5 in here? Well, if we had to have a wave 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 5. I don't know, people. Maybe 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, and E for 4 and 5. And at that point, this wave 5. I guess you could also argue that. You guys know what I'm saying. If not, let's get rid of this. What I'm saying is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of minute. Okay, let's keep that color, who cares? Some sort of a triangle. So wave 4, what is going on? Wave 4 is still in the making. Here, up for 5. And at that point, and I would expect that to happen if it was to happen at 120,000. Then further down. Oh wait, it cannot be 120 because wave 3 is shorter than 1. So wave 5 is got to be shorter than 3. My apologies. Then at that point, it could happen again on the middle line, if that was to happen. Which one is my preferred count? Probably the previous one, but I wouldn't be surprised by Bitcoin if it was to do something like this. Yeah. So overall, wrapping things up, people. We move higher. Now it's a matter of understanding if we are close to a top in wave 5 or we are in wave 1 of 5. I think that's a matter. Or you can also take a look at volume as it develops. Very interesting. And we need to keep trading above 100,000 to have a further upside conviction. Other than that, as usual, I'll tell you one wave at a time. These are the, let's say, for the upcoming week, what I would expect. either look for a wave 5 in place or a wave 1 of 5. And just be cautious. Again, if you enjoy the content, please leave a like, subscribe if you don't want to miss out on any update. And with that, have a happy Tuesday, and I will see you in the next one, people.